In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Zendesk subdomain. Whether you're a new user just getting started with Zendesk, or you've been around the platform for a while, knowing your subdomain can be crucial for a variety of tasks, from logging in to customizing your help center. So, let's dive right in and make it as simple as possible. To begin with, you'll need to sign into your Zendesk account. If you're not sure how to do this, navigate to the main Zendesk login page and input your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll want to open the Admin Center. This can be accessed directly from the product tray icon, which looks like a grid made of 9 dots. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu where you can find the Admin Center option. Simply click on it, and you're on your way. Now that you're in the Admin Center, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find various options and features for managing your Zendesk account. What we're interested in today is the section labeled Account. Go ahead and click on Account, which is an important hub for many administrative tasks within Zendesk. Under the Account section, you'll typically see an option called Branding. It's worth mentioning that sometimes this may appear under a section labeled Appearance, depending on the configuration of your setup or any recent updates to Zendesk's interface. But not to worry, both branding and appearance lead to the same destination we're aiming for right now. Clicking on branding will display several pieces of information pertinent to your account's branding settings. Among these details, you'll find your subdomain, which is the bit of information we're after. Your subdomain is displayed here and is essentially everything that appears before the .zendesk.com in your Zendesk URL. For instance, if your Zendesk URL is companyname.zendesk.com, then your subdomain would be company name. This little piece of information is quite significant as it serves as your account's unique identifier within Zendesk. It's what distinguishes your account from countless others using the platform and can be especially useful when trying to integrate with other systems or when reaching out to Zendesk support for assistance. And there you have it. Finding your Zendesk subdomain is quick and hassle-free once you know where to look. Keep this information handy, as it can be an essential part of managing and customizing your customer support system. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tips on optimizing your Zendesk experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you next time as we continue to explore more ways to make the most out of your Zendesk platform.